Hello, so for our project, we built a book recommendation database that has multiple features built in for recommending books to users, which we will be showing you. So what you can see right now is our admin page that we built, and we also incorporated additional security features into our application. So moving on to the features that we built once we get logged in, one of the pages that we built is to browse books by title. And so what the user can do here is enter a keyword such as monk, and when they click the search button, they will see all the books that have that keyword in them. And so this will just make it easier for them to find the books that they're looking for. Something else that the user can do is actually um, look at the book ratings. And so by taking the ISBN of a book, they can enter that and see what the reviews for that book are.
So another feature we have in our open source books is the My Reviews page, which essentially displays the user's reviews. As you can see, this user has 3 different reviews with different ratings and descriptions for each ISBN. Another feature you can do is add or edit reviews. So going to the add or edit review page, you're able to type in a specific ISBN and provide that book with a rating and an optional description. And then you can add or edit that review. If the ISBN has previously been used, it'll edit it, otherwise it'll just add it. You can also delete that review by typing in the ISBN of that same book, and as you can see in the My Reviews page now, that review is gone. So another core feature of our program is the My Recommendations page, and you can essentially create recommendations from a variety of constraints as seen in the first form. And then there are also different sliders for minimum rating and number of other users who read the book. Once you submit that, you'll see whether or not there are books within those constraints. If not, it'll say no data exists within these constraints. There, as you can see, there's a list of books that the user has generated.
Hi, one of the very fascinating feature of our database system is the add and remove friend. So essentially what you can see here is that you have a bunch of friends using the same database, and you can add and remove them by using their name. So currently what you can see here is that once you type your friend's name, and then basically you'll return you a status saying, oh, it succeeds, and you'll see your friend's name on the give receipt column there. And then you can basically remove that friend if that actually exists in your friends list C. So it only has 4 rows. We also have a friends page itself. So it actually shows what your current friends are. And the reason why we think this is really very good feature is that after browsing through all different kinds of book recommendation system online, it's hard to find that they will actually show like multiple friends in your friends list. Most of them are basically saying you have one friend and you can only get the recommendation from your single friend there. But our system is basically combining all of our friends' ratings and recommend them as a package to you.
So one other feature that we added to our open source books database is we also added the ability to connect to it via Discord. So as you can see, we've made this server right here, the open source books Discord, and we've got the librarian bot. So for example, one thing you can do is search for different books. Let's say I'm interested in books with the word Paddington in them. I can just type search Paddington and it'll return some information on that book. Or let's say I specifically want to find information about a certain book's reviews. So then what I'd do is I'd copy the ISBN, and I'd do .info, paste in the ISBN, and it'll give me all of the ratings for that book. And notice how it doesn't tell me who rated these books. It stays anonymous. A couple other features that we wanted to add to this were an option to link your open source books and Discord accounts so you could directly connect via that and input your reviews into here. But we weren't able to find a way to do that securely, so we left it out of our final application. So thanks for watching this quick demo of open source books. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you find this application useful in the future. See you next time.